Hello, welcome to my world. I'm Daryl Barnes, the author of Crazy Bird Stories. Let's go and discover another Australian bird with Benny, the beachstone curlew.
Hi, I'm Benny, the beachstone curlew. I live on the Australian mainland, usually in the marine tidal zone. Let's go find out some crazy bird facts. The Buff-breasted Paradise Kingfisher flies annually from Papua New Guinea to inhabit lowland monsoon rainforest areas. They usually perch in the mid-story and lower canopy prior to coming to the ground to feed. Their diet consists of insects, slugs and grubs, small reptiles, frogs and spiders. For more crazy bird facts, visit crazybirdstories.com. See you next time!